Hello everybody, welcome to Los Angeles, California, United States of America. I was staying at the Four Points by Sheraton LAX for 2 nights. This hotel is located very close to LAX, which is Los Angeles International Airport. The hotel provides free shuttle to the airport or from the airport to the hotel. There is a very nice pool area of the hotel and some nice rooms. Now, there are several categories of rooms at this hotel. This is, I think, this is a standard room, but I know that there are rooms in this hotel that actually do not have a window overlooking anything, just a corridor. So when you book this hotel, make sure that you are asking for a room that has a view over anything. In my case, this is a parking lot, because otherwise you will have just a large window overlooking the corridor. The room is very nice. It's quaintly designed. My biggest problem in the last 2 nights was the lights. That the lights have this very cold light, very cold color, and it didn't make the room look cool. I mean, it made the room look cool during the evenings, but it wasn't a friendly atmosphere because all the lights were like whitish and bluish. But that's just one little thing. That's something that I always look when I go to hotels. The bed is huge, and it was, it's a little soft, but I actually had a very good night's sleep. 2 very good night's sleeps. The duvet is very nice. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. The pillows were good. There's also a charger next to the bed, which I find very important. It's an alarm clock, and it's an alarm clock, and you can put your USB stuff there, and it has the standard American 3-pin or 2-pin charger too. Now, as I always mention, when you get to your hotel room, make sure you check the alarm clock, because the previous guest may have switched on the alarm, and in my case, well, this was the case. So at 6 in the morning, this little thing started beeping. Oh well, plenty of place to store things. A little wear and tear on the side. The air conditioning is quite old, and it was pretty loud. But to be honest, during the evening I didn't have to turn on air conditioning. I even popped open the window, and there was some fresh-ish air coming in. Loudness. We are located next to the airport. I did not hear any of the planes taking off or coming down. The windows are very good, they have very good sound insulation, except if they are doing some works right in front of your room on the day when you can sleep a little longer. Oh well, but then you can hear everything. The view is nothing special. Come on, this is a parking lot, but what do we expect? We are at LAX airport, and you're not coming here for the view. You can make this room totally dark, which is very good. There's a large couch where you can just enjoy a book. Something very not practical in this room is the light switch. So the light switch for this one is located next to the desk and the couch, and you have to climb in to turn it on and climb out. Now this is, it's just a very small thing, but this should be taken into account. A large desk where you can work, plenty of plugs, electric plugs and USB and cable for other cables. A little coffee machine. The coffee was pretty good actually. Rainforest Alliance certified coffee and tea, and they had the proper, well, not milk, but it was the creamer, the liquid version, which I like. Nice design, the TV with plenty of channels, lots of room for storage. Yeah, I should not forget to pack this in my bag. A phone. There is a wardrobe with ironing board, hangers, bags, and a safe, which is, I believe, a laptop size safe. It's nice because it's a little hidden area. Now the bathroom. By the way, sorry for the mess, but I've been here for 2 nights already, and when I checked in, it was already dark and I didn't want to do the video. So, the bathroom is small, just like anywhere, but it's nice. The lights are very good here because you can actually see your face in the mirror. They have these products. This is a body care lotion active, And what I really liked about this one, sorry for the mess, is that they have these shampoo, body wash and conditioner in the containers. So it's not the small little plastic units, but it's one big unit, and you know, it's not running out. Those little bottles are not going to run out because these are filled up, and it's also environmentally friendly. The water pressure and the temperature was also good. A full-size mirror, they're doing some recycling. There was a free bottle of water in the room and the ice bucket. So this is a standard hotel, very close to LAX airport, with free shuttles to and from the airport. Now, if you miss your flight, or you have an early flight or a late flight, and you just want to relax by the pool, now this is a good place. There is a coffee, there's a cafe, there's a bar, there's a restaurant that serves breakfast. I just had breakfast from the a la carte. It was around 24 bucks, and it was very good. Make sure you check out my other 360 videos, subscribe to my channel, and see you at the next adventure. This was the Four Seasons, no, the Four Seasons? What am I talking? This was the 4 Points by Sheraton LAX in Los Angeles, California. Bye-bye.